Hello guys, so on this video I'll be showing you how you can hide your prices for customers that are not logged in into your store. So there are cases where you only want to show a price to customers that are logged in or assigned into your store. So to know where your customers are on Shopify admin, so these are like registered customers on your store. So if there's a particular price that you want only these customers to see, so this is how you do this. So from your Shopify admin, you go to your online store, click on themes, open up the edit code editor. So what you want to do here is you first of all look at this page, right? You start from the home page. So what you normally need to check is the template that is rendering the code on the home page. So these are all product cards, right? So this price are coming from a product card. So what you want to do if you're using the DOM theme. So I'm going to try to make this so if in case you're not using the DOM theme, you should be able to try and attempt it on your own. So you can just right click on this, right? So inspect from the console. I don't know if this is getting too technical, but from the console you can actually see the template, right? So if you keep scrolling up to see this section's template, so you can actually see where it is coming from. So you're able to go back and edit it from the theme. So this is it. So this is the section we need to edit. So we need to now go here. We search for. So for this, we need to go to index. So this is your home screen, right? So this is your home page. This is the home page. So this is it here. So that section is called featured products, right? So we'll search for featured products here. Featured products. Just use a control F, type in featured products. So this is the collection we are looking for. So once you see this, what you need to check is the type. So when you see the type, you know where it is coming from. So you now go to your sections and look for featured collection. So we'll go to sections. We'll search for featured collection. So there's a featured collection or liquid. So open this up. Now once you're here, you need just to type price. Right. So as you can see, the code that is reading the price is not here. So the price is not coming from here. Once you don't get anything when you type in price, the next thing you want to type in is maybe product card. Type product card. So this will show you the card that is coming from. So in this case, we can see that this is where the product card is coming from, card product. And when you see render, that means you're looking for your snippet. So in this case, you need to go under the snippet folder, not sections again. Go under snippets. Then we'll search for card products. So this is what we need. So once we come here, we can now search for price again. Right, this time around, if you search for price, you can see this is not what we are looking for. We'll go down again, then this is what you're looking for. So this is the code rendering the price here, right? So if you want to test this out, you can add a comment here. We can add a comment, comment. You can just comment this out. So I'm gonna comment this out and say this is just for you to know that you're working on the right code. Whatever you are doing here, don't have much fear because you can if you make any mistake or any form of mistake, you can always revert back. So just feel free to play around with it. But just be careful if it is a live store. You don't want to mess up your store. So now we can now check if this is actually working by refreshing. You see the prices are no longer here, so we are on the right place. So what you now need to do is to go back and remove this comment. So what you want to do is you need to add if just a conditional statement. If customers, so if customers means if the person that is viewing this store is a customer, show this else just write another one. So just change this to else. Can just say else, show this stuff. Maybe add like an HTML paragraph. You're not supposed to see this price. You're not supposed to see price, right? And remember to close this. So add a and if, add a and if, right? So this is usually the process. So if we go back now and refresh this, we are seeing you're not supposed to see price because I'm not logged in as a customer. If I log in as a customer or if I register as a customer, then I'm able to I can see the price. So this is for the home page. Also need to follow the same process for every other page. Let's go to the collections page. So it's hide for the collection page as well. Let's go to the products page. As you can see, it's showing on the products page. So what this means is that the price, the code that is displaying the price for the products page is different from the code that is displaying the price for the collections page and the home page. So in this case, we just need to go in again and search for the code that is displaying this. So we'll go back to the team code. We are done with this. We can close this up. So usually where you need to start searching for this is from your template, right? So this is like the stuff you start from your template. So this time around we are trying to work on the product. So go to the product.json, right? So everything we want is here. So the price is already there. So this is the price, right? So you see the type is where it's coming from. So this type is the section where the price is coming from, right? So what we need to do is you search for price, go to sections. So whatever you see here, you go to sections and search for it. So go to sections, just look for price dot liquid. Go to sections and look for price dot liquid. There's no price dot liquid here. Go down to snippets. Look for price dot liquid so we can see now on price dot liquid. So instead of going through all this my process, I was just trying to you can just type price here and it will pop it up for you. Price dot liquid here. So now we are here. We now need to then search for the code that is used to display the price, right? So here is a lot of codes. So you need to know the exact one you need to remove, right? But as you can see from here, this is where the price started showing. You know, on the product pages, there are a lot of ways to show price. You show sale price, you show regular price. So that's why there are a lot of codes here. So a good way to know the right one to hide is to inspect this and look for the classes that is showing this. So this is a regular price. So this is the price container that is covering everything. So just want to take price container. You can just control C this. Then you come on here. Then you search for this. Now you know where to start. So this is where the price starts. So we've gotten what we need now. So this is where it starts and this is where it ends, right? So we can just come here and add our if statements again, like we did earlier on. So we'll say if customer, close it, show all of this that is here. Else, just a conditional statement, right? Else, add this paragraph. You are not supposed to see the price. Now we can close it again. And if, all right. So we'll save this and we'll go back to the product page and we'll refresh this. Now you're going to see you're not supposed to see the price. So this is basically how you do it. So I think this is all about the most pages that you want to hide your prices from. So now on the home page, the collections page, and the products page. So another page you would also want to hide this is from the search page, right? So let's say Picasso. Picasso, then we'll go to the search page, right? So you can see it's hidden on the search page as well. So that's practically how you do it. You just look around for the code that is used to display it. First of all, go to the template, search for the code that is used to display the price on that template, and you wrap it around an if statement. So I will provide all of the codes in an article below, so you can get the code if you want that. So that's basically how you do this, right? So thank you so much, and I hope you find this useful. Catch you on the next one.